Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get even illumination onto a small subject and you're really close to the subject. The setup revolves around one thing which I'll show you in a moment, but basically what you want to do is you want to create a shaft of light in between the camera and the subject. I've got a flash with a snoot and it has a little honeycomb grid, and so I'm trying to get like a very narrow beam of light just in between the camera and the cat. And that's also why this black card is here. I just want to shield the subject from any direct light from the flash. So if I take a photo like this, the subject will be completely dark. And so here's the trick. What you need is you need to reflect light on the subject, and you're just going to use a sheet of glass. You want to clean it a bit. Well, actually, you want to clean it quite a bit. And you hold it in between the lens and the subject. The angle you can play around with, also the position, so you can play around with it a little bit. Just look through the viewfinder, switch on the modeling light, or if you have a continuous light, it will be easy. Move it around until you see something that you like, take a photo, and that's it. So you simply use a sheet of glass to act as a reflection screen. If you like this video, please give it a like, visit the channel, consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching and see you the next time. Bye-bye.